Running non-metallic sheathed cable, or NMB, in suspended ceilings with a closed plenum system is acceptable if specific conditions and code requirements are satisfied. It is important to consult the National Electrical Code, or NEC, specifically Section 300.22c and 300.22c3, which address the installation of NMB cable in suspended ceilings. Also consult local electrical codes, as they might have additional requirements or restrictions. Checking with the local authority having jurisdiction, or UJ, is essential. Several conditions determine the acceptability of NMB cable in this environment. Firstly, the NMB cable must be UL listed for use in closed plenum spaces. Secondly, the cable's temperature rating must be suitable for the expected temperature within the plenum. Thirdly, the NMB cable must be supported according to code requirements. This typically involves securing the cable to the ceiling grid or other structural elements using cable ties or other approved methods. Fourthly, the NMB cable must be separated from heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, or HVAC, equipment, including ducts, fans, and motors, by a minimum distance as specified in the code. Fifthly, the NMB cable should be accessible for inspection and maintenance purposes. Using NMB in suspended ceilings has several advantages. One advantage is concealment. NMB cables can be hidden within the ceiling space, providing a clean and aesthetically pleasing appearance. Another advantage is ease of installation. Running NMB in suspended ceilings can be easier than installing it through walls or studs. A further advantage is flexibility. NMB cables allow for flexibility in routing and can easily accommodate changes in the ceiling layout. However, there are also disadvantages to consider. One disadvantage is limited accessibility. Once the ceiling is installed, accessing the NMB cables for maintenance or troubleshooting can be challenging. Another disadvantage involves heat concerns. The closed plenum space can trap heat, potentially affecting the performance and lifespan of the NMB cable. A final disadvantage relates to fire safety. NMB cables have a lower fire resistance rating than other types of electrical cables, so they need to be installed with proper fire protection measures. In conclusion, running NMB in suspended ceilings with a closed plenum system can be acceptable if it complies with code requirements and the conditions mentioned above are met. It's crucial to consult with a qualified electrician and the local AHJ to ensure the installation is safe and compliant.